New to using CapCut and not sure how to save your finished projects? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to export videos from CapCut to your camera roll. Now let's get started. To export a video from CapCut, open the CapCut app and select the project you want to save. You'll see a button in the top right corner that says Export, but before you go ahead with that, you'll want to customize your export settings. Tap AI UHD to open the settings menu. Here you can choose if you want to use the AI enhancement feature and adjust your video's resolution, frame rate, and bit rate. Choose if you want HDR turned on or off. If you're using the free version of CapCut and need to leave the watermark on, choose which corner you want the watermark to be added to. Once you've customized all your export settings, tap Export in the top right corner. Your project will then be exported as a video file and saved to your device's camera roll. After this is done, you can also export your video directly to a social media platform like TikTok or Instagram. That's all it takes to export videos from CapCut to your camera roll. Want to learn more about using CapCut? Check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.